things there and get away with it? The answer is no. Nigeria is very, very vulnerable to manipulate, to use. That's just the fact. But not when they want to work. Oh, they can also do something about it. So it's quite dangerous. But I said it when Biafrans were the ones shouting it, because the people that made this thing to be a talking point or a program for him, and Sana Brothers and their group, people who actually claim they are fighting for Biafra, they are the one propagating this to the hearing of Nigerians, even Nigerian government, to start paying attention to the activities of account they're using locally. This is the work of Oginkere and Sana Brawa. Some of you don't know the gravity of what they're doing. As you are promoting it and shouting and questioning it, this is what they wanted to do, so that it will be so loud that people will now be. Ordinarily, people would have pay attention to that, but because of them and the way they are using that to do propaganda, now Nigerian government may now decide to go harder on such account, and any transaction that happened to the account. Give credit to Sana Barawa, Ogenkere, and Vavam. Now, that brings me to the issue of what this guy is saying. That one hand, put them in your hand, they go touch you. Now, ask yourself, the bandits and the Igbo going on or not? Finally, use local account 24/7. Have you seen this guy questioning them? Why haven't you go out on movement of funds used by Igbo and the bandits from the north? He don't want to use that in this program. Why? Because the only people that hold cane to flock are the northerners. So if you are doing your program and you are trying to criticize the northerners, tendency of them coming after you by beating you up is high. And he wouldn't want to witness that. He don't want to experience that. That is typical one Nigerianist. People who don't stand up and defend what they believe in. He's against Biafra. Whether you drag your worry to that or not, he's against your freedom. This guy is against your freedom. I can tell you that for free. Now, is he telling you that things are getting better in Nigeria? The answer is no. As long as he himself is contented, because he has a lot of followers, he's making a lot of money on YouTube, a lot of money on Facebook. He has been there for years, and he has thousands, if not millions, followers at the moment. Do you understand? So poverty, economy, security is not his business. He's contented. He can build mansion and give himself power, water, good roads, take care of his children and his family, send them to school and abroad. He fly everywhere he wants to fly. There's no problem about his own lifestyle in Nigeria. In fact, living as a Nigerian is more good, because he can commit crime now and sort his way out. The way Nigerian structure is made it to everybody, you can maneuver anything and get away freely. Nobody will question you. Are you getting the point? That's why every now and then people like him will come out and defend undefendable things. He says something again, that if you put the money there, that this woman will put you people in problem. Technically, the woman, when he said the woman, he was actually talking to COS, because the video he displayed pictures of COS in the name of mocking her, with the picture where she wearing this clothes that have what they normally call is this sleeveless, that have just a tiny handle like that, all this dinner gown, something like that. That's what COS won there, and he displayed that picture in mockery form. And who made it possible? Ndegina had a Goku Biafra and freedom. Giving people they consider as enemy reasons why they need to go harder on you and capture some of you and detain you or probably buy. These are the handwork of those that are telling you to fall back. The question again is, this guy have never used his platform to talk about the insecurity in his own state, in Delta State. Never. Why? If he do, he will answer for that. But the only vulnerable people that anybody can use and can joke and mock are Igbos. Is it people like him for their fault? No, because he actually copied from the so-called Igbo people. The so-called people who are fighting for Biafra are the one giving this green light for them to continue yapping and saying all manner of nonsense. Are you ready to allow this kind of thing to continue the way